That was great, man. Wow. Another round of applause, please.
Alexa.
Judges, please.
Alexa, you just raised the roof in here. Everybody was up and dancing. You got somebody up there giving their hoodie to you. Where did you come from? That was amazing. Great energy. Your vocals were very clear. I thought you came from the real American Idol. That was really good.
At first, like she came up and she looked very like awkward and nervous, and she looked like she wasn't sure about this. But once that voice came out, oh my God, that was a great performance. I really enjoyed it.
Yeah, we heard Jimi Hendrix. Now we hear Janis Joplin. Wow.
Very good. You need to put some music.
Yeah.